Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by using what's already on their profile. This makes your message feel intentional. Once done, pick one prompt or photo detail and reference it in your first line so they know you read them. Keep the opener short, curious, and specific. Ask a simple question tied to the detail. This lowers friction and invites a reply. Make sure to avoid generic lines. Specificity signals effort and increases the chance they respond. You now focus on the middle. Sustain interest by alternating questions and short reveals. Ask an open-ended question to invite stories, then follow with a playful or relatable comment to keep the vibe light. Once done, mirror their energy and message length so you feel in sync. This makes conversation feel comfortable. If they answer a question, reciprocate with a 1 or 2 sentence personal anecdote. This builds trust and gives the chat momentum toward planning something real. You finish by converting chat into action. After a few good back and forths, suggest a specific low-pressure plan and a time frame. Once they say yes, confirm the details and exchange contact info for easier coordination. If they hesitate, offer a casual alternative and keep the tone light. If messages stall, wait 48 to 72 hours, then send a single friendly follow-up. If there's still no response, move on without drama. That preserves your time and confidence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.